this is John 2E0EZK. Just a very short video on the IC-7100. It covers HF 6, 4, 2 and 70, and it's 100 watts up to 6 meters, and then 50 watts on 4, 50 watts on 2, and 35 watts on 70 sems. It obviously comes with D-Star, and this is the portable head, and remote head I should say, which has got a built-in speaker, and you can connect your microphone. If you want to go mobile, I would recommend the HM151, easy to control the radio. So let's power it up. Apologies, that's my cat in the background doing a camera roll again. Okay, so we've got trims on here, and it's very easy to control, and also it's got a nice scan function which is there, so it's scanning now all my memory channels, and it's very fast and very intuitive. If I want to stop the scan, I'll just press that. Also, you got frequency inputs and band selection with one touch with the finger, so 2 meters, 70 sems, and the rest of the bands. But you've also got a frequency input where if you want to put 70 sems in, 4 meters, just press enter, and that's your 4 meters. Also, you can, if you're out and about and you want to know what's going on in the world, so it's 0.3, enter, and you've got a general band. If I change the mode, you've got a wideband receiver as well. Also, which is very clever, if you hold that down there, you get all the meters up: SWR, power, voltage, temperature, all in one slot. It's a nice light control head, and if you're like me, I've got my radio in the Radio Shack, which is a spare bedroom. If I get up early in the morning, I want to use the radio, I just disconnect the head. I've got another extension cable which goes into the living room, and I can use it in the living room as well. So very versatile. And this is the back of the radio, or the main body. You can see on the far side you've got your 2 and 70, then you've got your 6 and HF connector, SO239, and various connections. So you've got a cable there for USB control, and you can have the head, the microphone, sorry, connects to the head or the main body as well. Data, key, and there's a control cable which goes in the back, and then your power cable and the control for the ATU as well. Now, what another cool feature of this is that if I would try and turn this on, let's get my mouse over, sorry about this, let's try reconnection. So now that's connected to the ICOM RSBA1 software, and now that's listening to a 2 meter beacon and all the functionality. So all your meter is up there, and obviously all your controls are down here. So if I turn the preamp on, you can see that the preamp works very well. So that's a 2 meter beacon, and obviously on the software you also got your memory stations, so I can just switch between the stations and control the head of the main body just by clicking through on the menu, so you don't actually have to go through via the radio. It also works with the control head as well, the RC28, for transmitting and tuning the radios as well. It's like camera shake, sorry about that. It also covers the air bands as well. You have got a tension control at the side of the 7100 for controlling the tension of the VFO, so that's quite loose, quite free. There you go. Then you can move it down to actually reduce or increase the friction. It's a very nice radio, still one of our best sellers. There's not really another radio on the market which does HF 6, 4, 2 and 70 and gives you D-Star as well, and for just under £1,000 you get a lot of radio, £999.95. It comes pre-programmed with all the repeaters on the 2 and 70 and all D-Star repeaters. So grab yourself a bargain. and I really would recommend getting the HM151 microphone as well as the control software, which obviously works with the 7300, 9700. Thank you for listening. This is John from Martin & Sons. Stay safe. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.